Hello everyone. Today we will go to a coastal port in Japan famous for cherry blossoms. This promises to be an enlightening exploration of the industry. Hunting giant whales and preparing dishes from whales is an inseparable part of the typical Japanese culinary culture. Although whaling is controversial globally in terms of environmental conservation, in certain communities in Japan, it is still considered part of tradition and culture real. Giant whale hunting process. Fishermen often use large ships and specialized tools to hunt fish. Whaling requires high professionalism and skill on the part of fishermen, while also complying with laws and regulations on environmental conservation. Hunters use probes to detect and approach the whales. When discovered, they will use means, such as fences, to guide the whales into a narrower area and drop nets to catch them. This process requires dexterity and precision to avoid injuring the whales and ensure the safety of participants. After catching the whale, it will be processed on board the ship, including slaughtering and taking whale products. However, the controversy is facing many criticisms about ethics and wildlife. Conservation aims to protect whale species and maintain ocean ecological balance. Many countries and international organizations have imposed restrictions or completely banned activities according to statistics from the World Ministry of Agriculture. On average, only about 300 whales are harvested each year, underscoring the limitations in exploiting marine resources and highlighting efforts to maximize the use of individual whales. Fishermen thus ensure that no part of the white whale is wasted. An important step helps fishermen determine their harvest potential on each trip. These giant whales can weigh up to 8,000 pounds, making them a valuable resource. The process begins with fishermen meticulously cleaning the whale, with initial attention focused on removing the whale's first fin, which not only serves as an energy reserve but also helps keep it warm for whales in icy waters. The main part of the white whale, its appearance is reminiscent of some types of meat you have ever encountered. The color is deep red, and the nutritional profile is similar to beef, although there is significantly less fat. Whale processing typically includes a specialized method of separating the fat. Reflecting the innovation and modernization in the industry that emphasizes quality and efficiency at every stage of the blubber process. Considered a rich source of essential amino acids that support muscle growth and overall health, it also provides important minerals such as iron, as well as vitamins A and B, which are important for bone health and immune system function. Excess fat is high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to benefit cardiovascular and nervous system health. These fats can help increase healthy cholesterol levels and provide many other heart health benefits. Do you think a dish containing whale blubber can stimulate your appetite? Whale is used to prepare many different dishes in Japanese cuisine. One of the most popular dishes is whale sashimi, where whale meat is sliced thinly and enjoyed raw with wasabi and a rich sauce. Preparing whale dishes is not just about creating delicious dishes, but also about respecting and maintaining traditional Japanese values. For some people in Japan, rewarding eating whale dishes is an indispensable part of daily life and is also a way to celebrate and preserve their culture. Although whaling still causes controversy, people in Japan often sees this as part of their traditional economy and culture. The process of hunting giant whales and preparing whale dishes is not only part of the unique Japanese culinary culture, but also part of the way they respect and maintain traditional values. However, this is also facing pressure from the international community to preserve the environment and respect marine animals. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope the above information is useful to you. Remember to subscribe and press the bell button here to receive our latest and useful videos. And watch this video with me.